create a mission statement, which is so vital in my courses where I teach. I always tell people start from the mission statement. It's easy not to start with that, but it's really a roadmap to what you want to become. And it literally, my mission statement became what my firm was for 10 years and stuck with it. And that led to success. And I knew what my boundaries were. So like essentially my mission statement was, top level service, just to paraphrase it, and only focusing on marriage cases and certain tax and employment cases, not doing humanitarian cases, not doing removal. And it made it easy because when I first started and I wasn't making any money, a removal case would come where I could make some money off it. But I'm like, no, that doesn't match my mission statement. Stay focused. And that allowed me to overcome the inhibitions and the fear I had. And then I really was able to grow. And now I'm in the process of changing my mission statement and the vision for the firm. So I'm spending a lot of time and I have different books I'm reading and I'm just redoing it. Then I'm gonna go through with the team to make sure it matches theirs. And we're creating a mission statement for the public, which you're going to put on the website so clients know what to expect from us, but also then an internal mission statement, which incorporates a lot of stuff you said here, like, a lot of personal development. It may not help the firm per se directly, but we want our team to have the best education knowledge, have time to be with their family. If they want to learn a course about some random thing that doesn't directly touch immigration law, I want them to do that to be well-rounded. And that's going to, even if they leave us, they'll always have a good impression of us. And at the end of the day, we're human beings. My number one goal is to help the world. And so that really is a help to the world by having that. But how much, let's talk, if you could, a little bit about your mission statement, how you share with your team and how you stay tuned, and anything else you can talk about on that topic.
Yeah, ours is pretty simple as well. We solve legal problems with creative solutions. So
Mm-hmm.
any difficult case, those are the ones we thrive at. A lot of other firms outsource their cases to us to do, whether it's a difficult RFE or a very difficult client that just needs more management and it's a very nuanced case that's not boilerplate. Then eventually we have, and we actually do most of those, right, for the past 30 plus years. Now, that is what we do. And so our team is structured around that. So when we have a difficult case come in, then we pull in 3, 4, 5, as many people as needed to work on this very difficult case. Sometimes it's because it's difficult because it's a time limit. You only have 2-week window to file this motion to reopen. Or sometimes it's just such a difficult case that has been denied multiple times, and now you need to appeal it up to AAO and then the federal court. Well, then we really work on that, right? Sometimes we need to plan out 5 years. We need to first file non-immigrant waiver and then get the green card for the spouse and then file an immigrant waiver. So it's a 5-year process. So it just takes a lot of effort. So those are things that our team is really focused on, and how to improve the efficiency. And our entire structure is built around that as well, right? So we don't take litigation cases because that's not our structure. We're not just trying to take in every single type of case. So there's things that we really, really focus on. And then there's the things that we absolutely don't take on. And so we draw that line very, very clearly as well.
There's two things. One is I got a Haranka waiver consultation set up, at which I don't focus on, so I got to remember to send them to your way. So you get an email on that. I'll tell the client to contact you anyways. But when you started out, what you said, I remember the catchphrase we're working on to really encompass it for us. It's going to be helping the world go around by getting you to where you need to be. And so, because our focus is going to be on global expansion and doing global migration eventually as well, so that global connection is there, and getting people to move around it, but also help the world go around, because we're going to do an emphasis on, one is family based and help family creation and having children. Our marriage cases handle that, but also our extreme focus on L1 and EB1C businesses for multinational businesses, NIW and EB1A cases for a lot of scientist work we're going to be doing and we already are doing. So it's really helping the world go around to the next level. And I was talking with a coach, as a friend of mine who became a business coach, and he was talking with me, and he just said that. I'm like, wait a minute, helping the world go around by getting you where you need to go. I'm like, okay, it's you. The word "you" is in there, so clients connect with it. It shows immigration is a globe. It was catchy. I'm still fine tuning it, maybe shortening it, just getting you where you need to go. And that's a little broader than immigration law per se. But we have white glove service, so sometimes people need a real estate agent and stuff. We're going to incorporate that. So okay, we can find that person to get you where you need to go, and all this kind of stuff. But it's a lot of fun, and it takes a lot of energy, mental energy, to do it. And it's something that I constantly want to put off. I'm sure almost everybody else like this. Like, I'll do it tomorrow, but you got to buckle down and do it. It's probably one of the most important things you can do for your firm. It's really critical to think about that.